Okay, so the deep research feature in Gemini is known for its capability for searching content on the internet, but now you can actually search inward, which means you can let AI to read all the messages on your Gmail. It can see the documents on Google Drive and even see all the chats or conversations within Google Chat. So I would imagine that this deep researching tool is very useful for organizations with plenty of data, and perhaps this will make the process of finding an information to be a lot faster than doing it manually. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable or use the deep research feature in Gemini to search your Gmail, Google Drive, or perhaps your Google Chat conversations. Now, first, let's open Gemini and you can start a new chat. So right here, I'm going to, let's say, use the deep research for my Gmail. I'm going to click tools and then click deep research. And then now, as you can see, it is a bit different. You can source the material. You can search from Google Search, Gmail, Drive, and Chat, but I will disable Google Search because I don't want it to search the internet. Just focus on my Gmail. And this is the instruction that I want to know. Can you tell me what companies that are often mentioned in all of my inboxes? Okay, that's basically the topic. Now, after that, you can perhaps include some other documents, or perhaps you can also select the model, but I'll just go with the pro version. Send a message, and after that, Gemini will create a sort of template or plan that we can actually customize, and that's going to guide AI on what things to do or look when searching the Gmail or Google Docs account. So just wait for it. It might be a bit slower because, again, we are doing deep research, and also I'm using the pro version, which is known for very slow, but usually the quality is going to be a lot better than the flash version. Alright, so this is the plan. You can edit the plan, by the way, if you want to, but you can also just do the research immediately. You can click the start research button and it will open a sort of canvas mode. And after that, okay, here I guess I'll just continue and I'll modify the message. Just start the research. So I don't want to change anything here. Just, execute the plan immediately. And you'll see that it will open the canvas mode on the right side of the window. So this research process is going to be quite long. I would say it will generate a very long document, and it will need at least 15 to 30 minutes to generate the report. So I guess given that now I believe it is starting the research, I'll just skip a while and show you what it will look like. Okay, so this is the document or the research that has been generated by Gemini based on the content of my Gmail. And apparently, according to the answer from AI, companies like OpenAI, Google, Anthropic, Microsoft, and Meta are often mentioned on my messages. So yeah, that makes sense. I receive a lot of newsletter about those companies, and yeah, I would say the answer here from AI seems to be quite accurate. Now, after this, you can either just continue iterating the research. You can also just export the documents to Google Docs, or perhaps you can convert this content or this research into web page, infographic, quiz, flashcard, or even audio overview or podcast if you are looking into some audio content. So yeah, that's basically how you can generate some research from the deep research feature using Gemini AI. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.